Here's your question. Listen. Mason, please sit up. What is the term for what insects do when they go into a long, deep sleep for the winter? What is that called?
Hibernation.
Very good. So you have no one to swim on your team, so you have to sink someone on the other team. Okay. Starting with Noah. What is the term for what insects do when they grow a new skeleton and shed the old one? What is that process called? When they molting. Very good. So you can either swim, Micah, or sink someone on that team. And Micah, please be quiet, or you're going to stay sunk. Okay. Swim, Micah. Okay. Matthew. Ready? The antennae on an insect. They can do all the things that I'm going to list for you except one of them. There's one thing that their antennae can't do. Taste, smell, find directions, or breathe. Which one of those can the antennae not do? Let me say them again. Taste, smell, find directions, or breathe. Think about what the antennae do. Well, it's not one of the choices. Which one can they not do? Can they taste? Can they smell? Can they find directions? Can they breathe? Which ones of those can they not do? Taste, smell, find directions, or breathe. Actually, no. They can find directions with their antennae. So I'm going to switch the question to the next team. So you'll have to sink. And let's go to Marissa. Antennae help insects do all of the following except taste, smell, find directions, or breathe.
Breathe.
Yes, breathe. Antennae do not help insects breathe. Go ahead. Sink or swim. Pick someone to either sink on the other team or swim on your team. Sink, Jet. Okay. And nobody gets their feelings hurt. It's just a fun game. All right. Nicholas. Which of the following insects has only one pair of wings? Is it the butterfly, a cricket, a bee, or a mosquito? Which one only has one pair of wings?
I might get this wrong. Butterfly?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Dylan, your question. Which of the following insects has only one pair of wings? A butterfly, cricket, bee, or mosquito?
Wait, can you say the bugs one more time?
Butterfly, cricket, bee, or mosquito?
Mosquito?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Mosquito only has one pair of wings. Okay, sink or swim. Okay, we got to do this quickly, guys. Sink Jacob, okay?
See your butt.
All right, let's not have feet on the desk. your bottoms. Okay, Logan. An insect uses its ovipositor to do what?
Make eggs.
Yes, lay eggs. Go ahead. Sink or swim?
I'm gonna
Swim,
Swim.
Nicholas?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we are at Mackenzie. Which of the following insects migrate? A fly, a mosquito, a beetle, or a ladybug? Which one of those migrates? Fly, mosquito, beetle, ladybug. Yes, that's a ladybug migrates. Not as far as monarch butterflies, but they do migrate. Okay, sink or swim? Jed, sit on your bottom so we know you're sitting because you're tall. Sink who? Brayden? Okay. Mason, your turn. Which of the following insects is a social insect? A fly, a beetle, a moth, or a termite? Yes. Jed. Okay. Lucas. Which of the following insects is a parasite? Lice, a caddis worm, cricket, or ladybug?
lice.
Yes.
Sink jet.
All right, Jana. Alex, you need to sit on your desk so I know that you're in. Ready? Which of the following creatures is an insect? Earthworm, spider, bee, or centipede? Correct. Okay. Micah. What part of the insect is the middle part? Thorax. Very good. No. Sink or swim? Sink or swim? Are you going to sink or swim someone?
Wait, you can swim. Yeah, I don't care about her.
Oh, that's not nice. Okay, we do need to do this quickly or we're not going to get through the game. Sing Jana. Okay. It is back to, it's Alex. Okay? What part of the insect is the back part called? The thorax is the center part. What's the back part? Three, two. No, that's incorrect. Okay, let's have a seat, and now it goes to Lucy. The abdomen. Very good. All right, boys and girls, there's too much talking. Okay, we can't play a game if everyone's talking. Lucy? Saint Nicholas. Okay, so that means we are at Logan. Okay? What are the breathing holes on the abdomen of an insect called?
This is the one thing that I can't remember.
What are the breathing holes of an insect called?
Nut starts with an S.
Okay, can try to say it and I may accept your answer. Don't say the answer. Okay, try to say it.
I'm trying to figure out what I can say.
I don't even know this one.
The breathing holes on an insect. It's on their abdomen.
I know that. I know what it starts with. I don't know what it is.
Alright, well then you'll have to think. And the question goes
But I can't
Hmm?
have it.
yes. Do you know where they are?
No.
They're in the drawer up above the candy drawer. Okay, so it goes to Noah. Tell me what the breathing holes on an insect are called. Yes, spiracles. Okay, sink or swim? Come on, Noah. There's only one move you can make because everyone is swimming on your. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Sink me. I want to be sunk.
What? Okay, boys and girls.
You said St. Mason.
Well, I couldn't hear it because there's so much talking. What did you say? Sink Mason. All right. So that means the pizza's won one round.
Wait. One? No, Jensen's still
No, Jensen's on your team. Okay, everybody back up. All right, it is, we'll just leave off, we'll just pick up where we left off. All right, so actually, you haven't gone at all? Well, you were sunk, weren't you?
No, that was Autumn was sunk. Autumn was sunk.
Okay,
I
well,
don't think I've got a turn.
you didn't, oh, you haven't got, I skipped you, I'm sorry. All right, well, you'll be the first one next time. Okay, so Jacob, we're gonna start with you. Can you tell me the 4 stages in order of the monarch butterfly? The stages for a monarch butterfly. Incomplete metamorphosis. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Very good. Sink Noah. Okay. Jensen, your turn. Thank you for those of you who are being quiet. I appreciate it. I'm going to give you a characteristic of either a butterfly or a moth. You tell me which one it is. Which one folds its wings when resting?
Butterfly.
Correct. Sink or swim?
I said butterfly.
I know, I said correct. Sink or swim?
Sink. Just kidding.
Oh, that's not nice.
No, you're not. No, you're not. I'm gonna sink you. I'm not on my team. She's not on this team.
I know, you're on the other team, so they can sink you.
No, you said they were on this team.
No.
No. Matthew and Jen are on your team. Jensen and Autumn are on this team.
You're sunk. Logan, you're sunk. Just admit it. It's sunk.
Okay, you might get swum back up. Alright, so sit down. Okay, so since I had accidentally skipped Jensen, it's.
Yeah, you did skip on.
Well, you were sunk, weren't you?
Yeah.
Alright, Autumn. No, well, it's the other team anyway. So it's Braden. Tell me which one has a feathery antennae. Is it a butterfly or a moth? Moth. Swim Logan. Okay. Autumn. Which has a thick body? Butterfly or a moth? Correct. Okay, Swim Noah. Jaina, which has its larva spin a cocoon? Butterfly or a moth? A moth. Very good. Okay. Marissa, which larva grows a chrysalis? A moth or a butterfly?
Butterfly.
Yes. Okay. Alex, name 2 ways that insects communicate.
Touch and dance.
Very good. Touch and dance. Now, there's 5. The 5 are sight, smell, touch, dance, and sound. Okay? I'm just telling for your test you're going to need to know 4 of those. Okay? So, go ahead. I think you should sync the ones talking. Or I'm going to sync them. Sync Autumn. Okay, so we are at Dylan. True or false? A lacewing protects itself by letting off a bad odor. True or false? A lacewing protects itself by letting off a bad odor.
True?
Correct.
Yes.
It's not timing.
Sing Jen. Okay, we got it. Jed's down. Okay, we are at. Would have been Jed. Sorry. What?
Matthew. Okay?
It was.
He just had a turn.
Yeah.
Okay. Matt.
How is it me?
Because I'm going like this. Okay. Matthew. True or false? A monarch butterfly gets its bitter taste from the milkweed it eats. Is that true or false?
True.
Correct.
Swim Jen.
Swim Jed. Okay. Mackenzie, true or false? A predator is a friend to insects. That is false. Okay. Swim Autumn. Next is Nicholas. True or false? A camouflaged insect frightens its enemies by its ugliness. True or false? Correct. It can't frighten its enemies because its enemies doesn't know it's there. It's camouflage. Okay, go ahead.
Sink Lucy. She sank me.
Okay. Number next. Where are we at? Lucas. Insects which mimic others are harmless. True or false? Correct.
Sink Alex. Sorry, Alex.
You say it so mean and then you're like, I'm sorry. Okay. Logan. Give me the name of. Hold on. I'm going to hold a picture up. Okay? I'm trying not to let you see the bats. Okay. Tell me the name of this bird.
Robin.
Yes. Okay. Correct.
Time for payback, Jensen. Sink.
Wow.
You talk like you're on a game show.
Okay. Next is Micah. Micah, tell me the name of this bird. Correct. Okay, correct. All right. You know what?
I told him.
When it's your turn, you should be the only one deciding. No one else is telling you what to do. Okay? Mason, give me the name of this bird. Excellent. Go ahead. Okay? Autumn, give me the name of this bird. What? Sorry. Go. Starts with an M. I heard somebody say it, but was it you? The name of it. Starts with an M. Do you know? Okay. So it goes to Jacob. A meadowlark. Go. Yes. Yeah, when you get it wrong, you have to sing. Sorry. Okay, we are at Marissa, because Jensen, you're down, right? Okay. Let's see. What is the name of when an insect has more than an eye that's made up of more than one eye? A compound eye. Very good. What's the name of the other eyes that an insect has that are not compound eyes? You know? No? Okay, you have to think. And Dylan, what are the name of the other eyes? You have the compound eyes, and then what are the little eyes called?
This is hard.
It's actually not very hard. It's pretty simple.
How?
Don't say anything. What's it called? If it's not compound eye, it's a what kind of eye? Three, two, one, sink. Jaina. Simple eye. Okay, sink or swim? Swim, Jacob. Okay, Lucas. What's the name of the tiny hairs all over an insect called? You don't know? Okay, sink. And Jed, it's your turn.
Sensorets.
I'll give it to you. It's close. Sensilla.
Oh,
Sensilla. All right, sink or swim?
Sink, Marissa.
Okay. Micah. Let's see here. What's another name for a caterpillar? Yes, larva. Swim, Noah. Okay. Matthew. Let's see. I'm going to show you a picture of an insect, and you have to tell me what kind it is. Okay? So, what's the name of this insect? This is Matthew's question. Very good. Silverfish. Okay? Micah. Question. What is the name of let me see here. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you that last one. Okay, ready? What's the name of this? What? Okay.
Walking stick.
Yes, walking stick.
Noah, resurrect. Noah, I resurrect you.
All right, it is Nicholas's turn,
Oh.
right? What is the name of this insect?
Praying mantis.
Very good.
Sink Micah.
Okay.
Yes, Micah.
All right, we need to end this game soon because I know the boys need to go. Okay. So I think what we're gonna have to do is call it. This team wins this round because there's only one left, and you guys have more left. Okay.